Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope all of you are in the pink of health. I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay, today we're going to revise our lesson from lesson 1, week 1 until week 5. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, let's start. Okay, in this unit, we learn how to introduce ourselves. Okay, you can refer to page 11 of your student's book. Okay, in page 11, you learn how to introduce yourself by writing an email, right? Okay, now let me explain to you the example I've made here. Alright, now the words in red are for you to use interchangeably. Perkataan yang dalam merah awak boleh tukar-tukar. Kalau awak cakap pasal diri awak, you can use I. Okay, if you're talking about somebody else, you can use he or she. Kalau lelaki he, kalau perempuan she. Okay. Alright, Malaysia boleh tukar-tukar, okay? Alright, if you want to talk about your siblings, adik-beradik awak, awak nak kata saya ada beberapa orang adik-beradik kan? Okay, I've got 3 brothers. Okay, for example here, I've got 3 brothers. Okay, kalau seorang, kita letakkan his name is. Okay, kalau ramai, their names are. Okay, nampak tak beza? Dalam ni, Kumar's sibling is only one. He's got only one brother. But me, I have 3 brothers. So, I cannot write, I've got a brother. I should write, I've got 3 brothers. Kalau kat sini, his name is kan, nama dia. So, seorang, his name is, her name is. Kalau ramai, their names are. Nama mereka are ni ramai Ushairi, Fitri and Firdaus. Okay. My favorite sport is playing badminton. Awak boleh ubah-ubah lah. I usually play. Dekat sini kita belajar frekuensi, kekerapan. Usually, sometimes. Okay. Kat sini pula kita belajar macam mana nak cakap kita tak suka. Yang ni atas ni semua awak suka kan? Yang tak suka, I don't like. Alright. I don't like swimming. Okay. Now, this is the structures you can use to introduce yourself. Okay. Nampak tak? Ni perkataan-perkataan yang tadi kan? Okay. The blanks are for you to fill in your information. Okay. Some of you have submitted your work to me. Bagus beberapa orang kawan kamu dah hantar kerja kat saya dan kebanyakannya you wrote it very well. Awak menulis dengan bagus. Alright, next. In this topic, also we learn about countries and nationalities. Negara dan kewarganegaraan. Okay, now these are the flags of the countries in this topic. Ada banyak lagi lah nama-nama negara kan. Okay, kita belajar, we're focusing on these 6 countries. Okay, countries, nama negara. Korea, the US, the UK, Mexico, Brazil, China. Kalau nationalities, kewarganegaraan. Korean, American, British, Mexican, Brazilian, Chinese. Okay, let's say I'm introducing myself. Okay, I'm Q. I'm from Malaysia. I'm Malaysian. I'm Malaysian. Okay, sorry, Malaysian. Salah sebut. I'm Malaysian. Okay. If you are from Korea, I'm from Korea. I'm Korean. Saya warga negara Korea. Okay. Kalau awak nak introduce somebody to somebody else. Okay. She's from the US. She's American. Dia ni dari negara Amerika Syarikat. Dia adalah warga negara Amerika. Okay. He's from the UK. Dia ni dari UK. He's British. Dia orang British. Awak tak boleh kata he's UKian. Salah. He's British. Okay. We're from Mexico. Kami dari Mexico. We're Mexican. Kami orang Mexico. Okay. They're Brazil, sorry. They're from Brazil. I'm sorry. Okay, they're Brazilian. Mereka dari Brazil. Mereka orang Brazil. Warga negara Brazil. Okay, China. You're from China. You're Chinese. Okay, I hope all of you can understand this. Okay, next, verbs to be. Am is are. Verbs to be tu. Am is are. Okay, questions and answers. Okay, now, do you usually come across such questions? What are you doing? What is he doing? Kan? Okay, macam mana cara nak jawab? Okay, saya tunjuk. Dekat sini, kita nak guna yang mana? Is ke nak guna are? Kita guna berdasarkan kata ganti nama. Okay, kalau kata ganti nama tu ramai, kita guna are. Kalau kata ganti nama tu singular, seorang, kita guna is. Sebab itulah, what are you? What is he? What is she? And what are they doing? Okay, kalau ramai guna are. Kalau seorang guna is. So, cara nak jawab dia, I'm reading. He's reading. She's reading. Okay, yang ni yang singular. Kalau plural, ramai. We're reading. They're reading. Okay, next. Ni activities pula. Okay, is untuk singular. Are untuk plural. Okay, dekat sini he seorang. She seorang. It satu. Is he sleeping? Is she sleeping? Is it sleeping? Okay, it is. Okay, now, are you? You ni boleh seorang boleh ramai, tapi kat sini kita guna ramai. Are you sleeping? Are they sleeping? Okay, alright. Kalau nak jawab, kena sesuai. You must answer correctly, appropriately. Okay, now, kalau awak nak jawab yes, I kena dengan am. Okay, tak boleh I is, I are, tak boleh. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay, alright. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Dia tak. Okay. Yes, she is. Kalau ya, yes, she is. Kalau tak, no, she isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yang ni untuk singular, seorang. Okay, kalau ramai, yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Yang ni semuanya plural lah. They, we dengan they. Okay? Alright, next. Dekat sini lah. Nota pasal tadi. Singular, kita guna am or is. I'm daripada I am. Sama je. Cuma bila kita guna I'm ni, kita guna contraction. Kita pendekkan. He is becomes his. She is becomes she's. Okay, untuk plural kita guna are. We are. Kita pendekkan jadi we're. You are. The contraction is your. Kalau they are, the contraction is their. Okay. Next, frequency. Ada yang selalu terkeliru dengan frequency ni. Okay. Always. Always means sentiasa. Usually means kebiasaannya. Sometimes, kadang-kadang, never, tak pernah. Okay, cara awak nak tengok sini. Always ni maksudnya sentiasa buat. Memang hari-hari buat. Sebab tu merah je semuanya. Okay, usually kebiasaannya buat. Ada hari beberapa kali je tak buat. Sometimes, kadang-kadang buat, kadang-kadang tak buat. Never, tak pernah. Okay, alright, next. Likes and dislikes. Okay, if you want to say you like something, you will say I like to. Okay, kalau singular, he, she, it, kita guna likes. He likes to, she likes to, it likes to. Okay, kalau plural, kalau orang tu ramai, yes, okay. Kita tak payah tambah S. You like to, we like to, they like to. Okay, kalau awak nak kata awak tak suka pula, tambah do ataupun doesn't. Okay, jangan tambah A pula. Salah Okay, I don't like to. Kalau singular, he doesn't like to. She doesn't like to. It doesn't like to. Untuk singular. Okay, kalau plural, ramai. You don't like to. We don't like to. They don't like to. Yang singular je tambah es. Okay? Alright. Kenapa kena tambah? Sebab mereka single. So, kita bagilah kawan. Okay? Kita bagi giveaway kat dia. Okay. Alright, next. Vocabulary. Let's revise about the subtopic of vocabulary. Do you still remember this? Okay, number 1, ice skating. Number 2, swimming. Number 3, doing karate. Okay, number 4, playing computer games. Number 5, playing badminton. Number 6, exercising. Number 7, riding a bike. Kita biasa sebut bicycle kan? Okay, sama juga bike tu, bicycle Alright, playing chess. And number 9, playing football. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you everyone. Thank you for lending me your ears. Thank you for being so attentive. Thank you. See you soon.